What's up, guys? It's 352 Keegan. We're back at it. I told y'all I'd be showing y'all me drilling the holes for the 4-link brackets. Well, we're gonna get into that today, and I'm gonna show you how I get it done with this old-fashioned drill press right here. Got Grampy's dually, got Ethan. Ooh, here's a taco. Well, I went and picked up wheels today. They're a set of wheels Ethan likes, and these rub a little bit on his truck, so for working, how far he drives and stuff, he wants to get off these 35s and hop on some 33 as well. He also wanted some chrome wheels, a little bit different type of setup. Well, I went and scooped him up. Hopefully he likes them, and then we'll show y'all a video of us throwing them on his truck and all that and how it looks then. But this is his first reaction to these dang wheels. He ain't got to see them yet. Hopefully he fucking likes them. And they're going on his shit. Tires still got hella tread. Not setting bro up for failure. Rims definitely got some mud on them. They a little dirty, but bro, tell me no. Tell me that won't look fire.
Yeah, but that's just gonna go crazy.
Tell me that shit won't look fire, bro. It's what you've been looking for. This is the Bubba setup right here. Got some older school tires, but they're new, up to date. Date codes are all good. Good tread, they're chrome. Definitely got some Florida clay up on there. But yeah, get these. We'll get these polished up, and if he's interested in them, we'll get them on the truck. And oh yeah, they are gonna be amazing. What you think, man?
Sure, let's put them on right now.
Shit, we gonna have to pause the 4-link video and fucking smack these on the damn truck over there. But hell yeah, we're gonna make a video on that and us getting them on there and everything and how it looks and the result. What's up, guys? We're gonna dive into it. I'm gonna get you caught up on what I did today. These are the rear traction bar mounts for my rear axle on my mud truck. Most of these holes are already drilled besides one. I drilled it with a drill press today, and I sanded up all of these because they were not cut. Ethan cut them yesterday with a bandsaw, which y'all probably seen in the last video. But yeah, we're gonna get you up to date with this. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I drill these holes out for these brackets, and Ethan's gonna be cutting out these right here so it could fit over the axle housing. He's gonna be cutting out with a bandsaw here, and I'm gonna be showing that. Also be showing y'all right now how we get this done right here. So let's get into it. I already have the punch and everything the right size. You could get yourself a punch. You can measure it and find the center if you measure it that way and that way. But I'm gonna set my stencil on it here. I'm gonna line it up, get it in place the best I can. Get your punch. Line it up the best you can. Keep it straight. Tap it. So now we're about to drill this hole out for y'all. As you can see, that's my rough circle, and that's my final dot right there. So came out pretty good. It's looking lined up. Let's get into it. Show y'all how to get this drill press going. Here we are, old school drill press right here, 16 speed. You see it? Got the bit on there. Gonna crank this baby on right now. Show y'all how it's done. Here we go. So you want to be super steady with the drill press. I mean, I don't know what y'all would be using if y'all were doing it, but this is just my situation. And yeah, don't apply too much pressure. Just let the drill do its thing. If you apply too much pressure and it bites, the product you're drilling is either going to start flying around the room or the bit's going to snap. But we try to avoid that. Just broke through the first layer, and now we're going to keep going. So here we go. We just got that hole done and drilled out, and there you go. Y'all see it right there. Super fresh, nice hole. Got our clearance all the way around for our rod end, so we know good amount of metal there. Super durable, not gonna break, not gonna snap, malfunction, none of that. Super thick plate. So now we're gonna let Ethan cut the center pieces out, and then I'm gonna sand them, and then we'll show y'all what they look like when they're done and built. It's probably not gonna happen tonight, but we're gonna get what we can done tonight. I'll show you it, and then I'll continue it till tomorrow when we finish it up and get them done. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, and Ethan's gonna start cutting them out.
Ain't that some back home, but it's in the field, mud on the waves, yeah, ain't that some big smoke, summer
All right, this one is all cut out, ready for Keegan to be sanded. Got 3 more to go. They're looking fantastic so far though.
So here we are. Here's our finished bracket. Ethan got them cut out. I still need to sand them and stuff, and then they'll fit way cleaner and everything will line up perfect. But as of right now, we got all of our brand new grade 8 hardware in there with our rod ends, and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like when they're on the axle. So as you can see, our rough cuts, by the way. Boom, right on there. This is the top mount for my 4-link I'm doing for my axle. This is the bottom. And this is what it looks like. Get it together. I'm probably going to have them kind of like this. Have a really good amount of lift on this truck and some giant tires, small block and all that. Definitely stay tuned for the build series, but that's what my 4-link is going to look like in the front. That's going to go to my 4-link cradle, but yeah, that's what we made right here at home. Hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. And I'm going to be posting everything on this mud truck build. Going to be ordering brand new tires, rims, whole 9 yards. It's going to be a real souped up motor. It's going to be hot. And hopefully going to do some extreme mud bogging with it. But until then, keep it cool, keep it crazy. Stay tuned, and until next time, go tear some mud holes up.